If you don't know by now, if you've been living under a rock, digital marketing is literally a trillion-dollar industry, okay? And having any type of social media marketing skills, digital marketing skills, is going to be amazing because these skills are in very high demand. As you guys can see, a lot of people are starting their digital marketing journeys, learning e-commerce, learning how to sell online, learning affiliate marketing, trying to figure out how to get into content creation. A lot of this stuff is going to be worth 1.5 trillion by 2030. So this is your chance to, if this is something that piques your interest, to get in where you fit in, okay? What I mean by that is starting your digital marketing journey. So this is going to be like a step-by-step guide for absolute beginners, people who have you literally know nothing about being online, like how to sell online, how to do things online. You're not really tech savvy, like you don't really know where to start. I'm just gonna give you like a little briefing on how to start your digital marketing journey as a beginner. This is going to be really helpful for those who are really looking to hop into this kind of atmosphere. These skills are really good to just have underneath your belt, and you know, it's really only going up from here, okay? A lot of people think, oh, this stuff is just gonna go away overnight. It's just gonna no, businesses are always going to need marketing, okay? Marketing now is a lot of it is done online. So by learning this skill, is not only going to be beneficial for other businesses if you learn the skill to be able to market for other businesses, but you can also learn how to market yourself. You can also learn how to market your business, your friends and family business, create job opportunities for your friends, for your family, for this new economy, this new world that we're going into. So do not overlook it, okay? There are many spheres of digital marketing. Kind of like a briefing on behind what digital marketing is. Digital marketing is not just selling courses and digital products, okay? That is not what digital marketing is. They literally have degrees for this, okay? I actually took classes. I went to college. After I left my agricultural college, I took online classes at Full Sail University for digital marketing. So digital marketing is an actual career. It's basically just the components of promoting brands, products, services through different digital channels and technologies. So not only social media, but through email, also through web, through SEO, search engines, the wide spread of the digital world, okay? So that's just like a briefing of what it is. You're really just selling online. So it's not just, oh, I'm selling on social media. No, like you could have a website, you could be selling and have nothing that has nothing to do with social media, and you could be running ads. So it's all of that, okay? So number one, pick a niche. Decide what you're going to be getting on here to talk about. What do you want to talk about? Do you want to talk about hair? Do you want to talk about beauty? Do you want to talk about fitness? Do you want to talk about wellness? Like, do you want to talk about money? Like, what is it that you want to get on here and teach? What do you have expertise in, okay? What is something that you want to help people? The area in life that you want to help people with. Do you want to help parents? Do you want to help moms? Do you want to help dads? Do you want to help people who are nurses? Do you want to help doctors? Do you want to help lawyers? Do you want to talk about gaming? Like, you have to figure out when you get on here, what is it that you want to, like, what's going to be your niche? What is your brand going to be around? Or what are you selling? Or what are you offering? Or you're going to decide if you're going to build a more multifaceted personal brand where you're going to talk about more than one thing, more than one interest, because maybe down the line you want to offer different products in different areas of your life. You don't want to just be a one-trick pony. You are multifaceted and you want to be able to offer different things to people. So that's where personal branding comes in. But you just need to decide what it is that you're going to be talking about. Okay, so your interests, whatever area in life that you want to help people in. Also, food. There's so many different areas. There's so many different areas and niches, so you just need to base it off what could you never get sick of talking about. So number two is going to be decide what product or products that you are going to want to sell. Now this one, when I first started my journey, my like being on social media, because this is essentially being on social media, being an influencer, that is underneath the umbrella of digital marketing. When I first started, I just was like, I want to get on here because I want to make clothes and I want to show people just me making clothes, me creating DIYs. That was like my first video that I put out on YouTube, was a DIY. So that's what I knew I wanted to do. I was like, I want to show my DIYs, me sewing and things of that sort. And then once it started getting down to realizing like, oh, okay, I can use this as a source of marketing and to reach like a global audience, that's when I realized, okay, yeah, sticking to this or getting into other things like hair, that's when I realized, okay, I can not only sell my own products, this could not only be a way for me to sell my clothing and things of that sort, but there's other things that I could sell and there's other businesses that I can help as well. So you just have to decide what you're going to want to sell. Are you going to be an influencer? Are you going to be an affiliate marketer, somebody who sells other people's products? Are you going to start your own business? Are you going to create digital products where you don't have like a physical business, physical product business? Do you want to just sell the digital product, or all of the above? You can do consulting. Do you want to be a consulting person? Whatever the case may be, you have to boil down to what is it that you're going to eventually sell once you build up your audience. Because if your whole idea is to come on here and actually make money, build up a clientele, have customers, you need to have that in the back of your head. You just should always have that in the back of your head, because that's how you're going to create those streams of income and, you know, make money for yourself, create that job for yourself. So number 3 is going to be, once you figure this out, you want to build out some type of website. Beginning, I did not have anything. I just had my YouTube channel and then, you know, Instagram, and then other platforms like TikTok came along and stuff like that, but it was always just YouTube for me. I never had a website or anything like that. So now that they have other platforms, like, of course I had a Shopify website, but that was more so for my business. That was not for my personal brand. So now that I love that they have platforms like, if you guys see my dog back there, she's sleeping. Just don't mind her. But yeah, now they have other really great platforms. If you don't want to create like a blog, because blogging was like the big thing back in the day, which I feel like they should just, like, blogging should come back, because I don't know, it was just something that was really fun and enjoyable and slow about it that I really, really liked. But now they have different platforms like Beacons, StanStore, so you can really create a home base to where you can house all of your products, house all of your links, have an email list, and etc. So that's what I love about platforms like this that have been created, because it just makes it easier where you don't have to build out this whole big website for yourself. But I do encourage it, because I feel like in these times, because social media, everybody is trying to be on social media, everybody's trying to create content, I do feel like right now is a really great time to build out a website, especially if you do have a personal brand, or like I said, a business. So now is definitely the time to start kind of shifting your audience over to somewhere where you actually can have ownership over, you know, the people that you're connecting with. Not ownership, but where you can actually have ownership over your content, if you know what I mean. So number 4 is going to be, once you've like found your platforms that you're going to get on, where you know you're going to be consistent, like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Snapchat, etc. There's so many different platforms now. There's Lemonade. There's a lot of different platforms. There are so many different platforms, so don't limit yourself. Actually use these platforms to your advantage while they're free 99, because you literally have the opportunity to connect with a global audience, global customers and clients. You know what I mean? Like, you have that for free at the tip of your fingertips. Is that right? The nip of your the tip. I don't know you know what I mean, okay? Right at the tip of your fingertips. So you need to take advantage of it, and don't, you know, not take advantage of the opportunity that you literally can reach a global audience. Figure out what platforms that you're going to want to be on. They always say to start with one platform and then kind of like try to migrate your audience, but it's really up to you how you want to do it. If you want to just start with one platform like I did, because I did start with one platform, Then once I built it up, I started, you know, hey, you can follow me on these other platforms because I do behind the scenes here, or maybe in each platform offers something different for different type of people within your community. So yeah, it's just build them up and then maybe try working on building up the next platform, or do it all at once. It's really your prerogative, okay? I don't really tell people what to do in that aspect because it's really whatever works for you, whatever like bandwidth you feel like you have, do it. Because I feel like urgency, because we really don't know, you know, when these platforms can start charging at any moment. So yeah, number 5 is going to be, this really should have been at the top of my list, but for some reason it ended up at the bottom. But go ahead and make you, before you even get your platform and stuff like that, because you're going to need an email, go ahead and make you a professional email. And add this to every social media account that you have. Add it to the bottom of your videos and your descriptions. Sometimes I even see people like add their email on like on their little, the bottom of their reel. Like if they do a reel, they'll put their email, like, because you're trying to put yourself out there. You want to make it as easy as possible for people to want to do business with you, so for you to get clients, especially if you're somebody who's an influencer, or you're somebody who is selling products, or you have maybe a consulting business. You want to make it as easy as possible for people to get in touch with you, and for people to know you're a real person, because people don't want to deal with scams. So if you can just make it easier for people to be able to reach out to you, you'll see more opportunities flow into your email. So yeah, it should always, but I always recommend putting a professional. I have like a .com email. Like I actually pay for my email every month because I just want it to be as business orientated as possible, because I take my business very, very serious as a content creator, influencer, somebody who has a digital marketing business. So yeah, I started off with just a regular Yahoo first, cause honey, I was a Yahoo girl first, okay? Then I upgraded to a little gmail.com, okay? And then I went ahead and upgraded to my .com, because I was like, all right, I'm eventually going to use this email probably to make a website. I started building out a website, but I just never finished it because I was like, you know what? I feel like I want to pay somebody to do this because I'm overwhelmed. But yeah, I feel like that's pretty much all I have for like as a beginner. If you're somebody who wants to learn all of this stuff hands-on, like you're really, really just confused, you don't know what you're doing, I have my y'all, sorry. I have a digital marketing course, the Digital Wealth Academy, that actually teaches you how to do all of this, how to start a digital marketing business, how to market your personal brand or business, how to make sales, how to grow, how to find your target audience, how to connect with your community, as well as how to grow your community and create a community for a lifetime, okay? So people that are going to stick with you, creating a sustainable business around the digital marketing aspect. So not only are you going to learn how to market and stuff like that, you're going to learn how to make sales and how to market not just within social media, but other things like print on demand, affiliate marketing. There's so many different streams of income that you get to learn within the digital marketing umbrella aspect that this course teaches you outside of just marketing. So it's really, really cool. I love it. It's going to teach you how to set up all of this stuff, your email list, set up everything. You also get like done for you stuff that's already done that you can just go ahead and get set up and get started, speak directly to your audience and create a community and build that trust. And like I said, you also get to learn other digital online streams as well. So I really just love the Digital Wealth Academy because there's more courses that drop. You get lifetime access to the course, you get a community, and you're constantly learning all the new stuff as the digital marketing kind of world evolves, which I love. So it was well worth the money that I paid, okay? I'm with this, okay? And it just keeps me motivated to keep on my digital marketing journey, and I just want you guys to really tap in. Don't miss out on the opportunity to, you know, learn how to market and promote yourself online, because this digital stuff is literally, it's moving fast. So I need you to get on board and don't get left behind, okay? So I am going to leave the link to the course below, as well as a freebie for you guys if you're just not really ready to kind of hop in. I do want to say we do have Klarna Afterpay, so if you are ready to invest in yourself, you're serious about, you know, investing into yourself, you do have the options. Okay, you do got those Klarna Afterpay payment plan methods that can help you out to get started, so you can see that money coming back to tenfold. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna leave the link below to that. Hopefully this video helps you to maybe get started, just the little baby steps that you can start taking. And then yeah, I'm gonna leave my DWA 2.0. I had 2 freebies, but I took the one off. I might bring it back because I actually like the other freebie too. But I'm gonna give you guys the new freebie. It's the DWA 2.0 freebie. Okay, I'm gonna drop that below, so yeah, you guys can do your little thing, sign up for that, get your freebie to you straight to your email, and yeah, it's gonna be all good. All right, so yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. In my notes, let me know what other like videos that you guys want to see. I know you guys love my career and business videos as well as fashion. I'm definitely gonna be bringing some more fashion to y'all and beauty. I'm trying to just merge them all, so hopefully you guys will enjoy you know, me building my business process and just continuing this digital marketing journey, because I just love it so much. It has my heart. I love creating online. But yeah, until next time, I love you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you at the top. Peace.